Okay, so we are the SIVAP project. It works on irrigation, and it has three components. One on developing new irrigation schemes and rehabilitation of the existing ones, and another part on value addition and capacity building. We are doing, the contract we have is for the rehabilitation of 5 irrigation schemes from south to north in Malawi. One it's in Chikwawa, one in Machinga, one in Nkhotakota, and 2 in Karonga districts.
Okay, in doing this project, how do you intend to sustain the projects that you're doing in these areas, and how are you doing it with the people?
Okay, so this is a very participated project by the communities. We are in direct contact with the farmers, the beneficiaries of the project, the water users groups and water users associations. We have been contacting them, talking to them. We want to know what are their problems, what are the problems that they have in place, and we are just communicating a lot with the locals that will, in the end of the day, benefit from the project. So our main goal here is make something that will matter for them and to improve their income and their lifestyle.
Okay, in doing this project, how is the reception of the people in the areas that you have visited so far?
Okay, the reception has been just great. We are very, very welcomed. They are eager to have the schemes rehabilitated. You know, the schemes are very old. They were firstly built in the 60s and early 70s. They have had some small rehabilitation that never went to the final stage, and we hope and we are very motivated that with our intervention now, with our project now, in the end of it, they will have a fully functional irrigation scheme that will bring water in good condition to all the plots, and they will be able to manage, and we will also provide some capacity building, some training, so that they can operate and maintain better the scheme, so that the scheme, the work we have done, it can last for long.
There's a problem like climate change. They put it on them when actually it's not being important. It's not on them. Can you talk about how the conceptions that these people are having in these areas?
Okay, actually, I think the climate change it comes when the people don't know exactly the reason of the problem. They just blame on climate change, because it's something that they don't really know much about it. So I think the problem they have there is more like of a lifespan and some lack of maintenance during because the schemes are old and so they are not in good stage, and I think that's the main reason. Also, sometimes they talk about climate change, but I think that's more related to some river training problems that we have, that when the rivers are changing course, I don't know if we have enough data in terms of hydrological studies to talk about climate change